If you've been wondering how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can buy Bitcoin in just a couple of minutes, even if you're a complete beginner. First things first, make sure you have Cash App installed. You can download it from the official Cash App website at cash.app or directly from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app and create your account. You'll need to provide an email or phone number, some basic residential information, create your unique cash tag, and connect a debit card to fund your purchases. Once you're set up, open Cash App and look for the Bitcoin section right on the main home screen under Save and Invest. Tap on it, then tap Buy. Now select how much Bitcoin you'd like to purchase. You can either choose one of the preset amounts or tap the three dots to enter a custom amount. If you want, you can even change the order type for a recurring buy or one-time purchase. Next, simply enter your Cash App PIN and confirm. Congratulations, you now own Bitcoin on Cash App. But what if you want to send that Bitcoin to another wallet? That's easy too. Go back to the Bitcoin section, select Send or Receive. Choose whether you're sending via the Lightning Network or a regular Bitcoin address, enter the recipient's address, tap Next, and confirm. Within minutes, your Bitcoin will be on its way, and that's it. Buying and even sending Bitcoin with Cash App is that simple. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and check the description for helpful links. See you in the next video.